Hello and welcome. Today we learn how to create WhatsApp channel. So let's start. WhatsApp brought a new feature. In this video we will learn how to create a WhatsApp channel. First open your WhatsApp app. You can see here update option, tap on this. Here you can see the channel option. Tap on this plus button. From here you can create WhatsApp channel. Here you can't see any button to create WhatsApp channel. Let's see what's problem is this. First you have to update your WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp and check this, is there any update available. You can see my WhatsApp is updated. So why it isn't showing me any button to create WhatsApp channel? Better way to solve this problem is WhatsApp documentation. So let's read the official documentation of WhatsApp. To solve this problem, open the Google Chrome. Let's search WhatsApp channel. This first is official documentation for WhatsApp channel. Finally, you can see here how to create WhatsApp channel. You can view notes from WhatsApp. In this he has clearly stated that WhatsApp channel has started rolling out but isn't available to everyone yet. Now the only way to create WhatsApp channel is to join their wait list from here. Tap on Open WhatsApp. It's redirect you to WhatsApp app. Here you can see channels created by people. And now you have also joined the waitlist. As soon as the option to create channels becomes available for you, you will get an alert or a notification from them. And you should read the official documentation of WhatsApp so that you are fully clear about WhatsApp channel. And you should keep checking the updates of WhatsApp, that there is new update from WhatsApp, so that if there's any update related to the channel, then you can update it. That's all for now. See you in a new video. Thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe for more videos like this.